liner in the car. It's perfect, not tore or anything. Dash pad's perfect. New step plates. New armrest pads, new door panels, new weather strips, new felt molding. There's where the car was at Greer Speedway 92 and at Bristol. It was in the championship series. But it can be put back on the street. I mean, I drive it on the street. It had a set of 31s on it. I put these 29.5s on it. But whoever done all this, they done a real good job. And if you wanted to, it wouldn't be no problem at all to put the quarter panel with the wheel lip on it, so you can put the chrome on it. If you want to put a smaller wheel and tire on it, and you know, make it look like factory. But shit, I like it like it is. It's just a good old full street car. Ain't no rust involved in the doors or the rockers or anything. I hate selling this old car. I'll be honest with you. You won't find this about a better body on the 67 Camaro than this one. It's the real deal. It's not junk by any means. It's not bondoed up. It's never been wrecked. It's got all the original sheet metal. I mean, you know, the hood sticks up a little bit back here. Probably adjusted a little bit. But, oh, we don't got no windshield wiper. But it ain't no big deal. But anyway, there's no rust around the windshield. You know, they all rust around there. There's no rust around the grip rails or the back glass or the winter chrome. I mean, it's none of it's ever been touched. The gaps are perfect on all the sheet metal. There's no rust ever been in any of these areas right here. I mean, it's just a real nice piece. And you know, it is what it is. I hate to let it go, but you know, I don't know what's going to happen in my future about about what's going on with me, and so I want somebody to have it, that's going to enjoy it, that's going to take care of it, and appreciate for what it is. It's a time capsule. It's only been painted at one time. It's an original black car, black on black, and I love it. I hate to get rid of it, but there it is, man. I think I've showed you and told you everything about it, and I hope you get it, and I hope you take care of it, and I hope you enjoy it. Okay, have a good one.